Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means the world to me, and I hope more people can learn from the video.
Hello guys, welcome to another video of this series, and this might be the last video for the front end. So we are going to finish the last screen, which is the app list. Whenever we tap on the search button, it will go to the list of, it will filter through the list and show us what app we are searching for. So before we actually start, we need to create a new route by going to main.tar. And route here we need to add a new one, which is for app list, context app list. We import it. Right now we don't have the file, but we'll create it later. So app list. Okay, so we need a new page. That file for app list, and we'll start coding the page, the screen for the app list page. Same thing. On every page we need this. And we need a constant, which is the list of the app list. Yeah, the list of the app. Okay. So and finally we need the services, so we can actually make it into an app object. So, now list of the modules. STFUL stateful app list. Okay, so right here, first we need a save. Every time we use a save area, so it doesn't go into the notification bar. Save area. Okay. Child will be a scaffold. Same thing. And we, of course, for every scaffold there's an app bar. Each app bar will be very simple. That's the background color of white. And icon theme would be, of course, the best contrast. The best contrast to white, which is um, a black. Yeah. Others. Yeah. And the body will be a list view. In this they should use a different approach, which is using the builder method. Uh, in builder method, there's an attribute called item count, which should be the at list.length. But currently we don't have the at list, but we create later. So at list, the at list will be somewhere, yeah, here. So it will be a list of map. String key is string and value is string. At list, so it will be empty for now. We'll come to it later. This line, then item builder, which is the item. It takes the context and the index. Of course, in turn, the padding. Of course, there's an attribute called padding, and the padding would be, I'll make it like, let's see, vertical of 1 and vertical of 1 and horizontal of 4. So child will be a card. This is another widget in Flutter. Child will be a list tile, and whenever we tap on it, we will go to the H. Okay, Navigator, push name, X, and of course the route which is the one we specify right here. If it's another name, then of course you will need another name. But right now we are calling it app. Arguments to the end. This is where the service comes into play. So it is actually the same thing here, if I'm not mistaken. There's a Control F to find push name here. This one. Wait, is it this one? This is so weird. Push. I don't think. Let me find. There's like three of them. Push here. And actually, we forgot. I think it's a mistake. I guess it was a mistake. Humans. Uh, let me make it look prettier with yeah. Wait. So I'll just copy all of this. Yeah, with the indentation, it looks better. Copy. Now, so I'll add it here. We actually need it, but I think I forgot. Okay. It's so weird. Sorry. Wait. Arguments. I forgot. Arguments. Oh, it's so weird. Wait. Biasa. That's why you should mind the indentation so it doesn't get messy like right now. Let's draw one here. Okay, great. Okay, great. Now let's quickly go back here, and I think I'll paste the same thing right here. Where was it? The one with the better indentation. Right here. Okay. Here and paste. And still a problem. I think this. Wait. Uh, there's quite an issue right here. Okay, so it should be here. Oh, that's a very big. Oh yeah, because I made it like appless. Yeah, I call it appless, so we need to put the name of the variable, and it's a list, so we actually need to look through it using the index, which is this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and the 0 of applist image, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and so on. Still showing me an error. Contact, blah, blah, blah. I think I missed something. Huh? This is so weird. If I remove this, yeah, that's an extra one, I think. It's so weird. Oh, yeah. Right. Oh, I got it. I got it. Right. Sorry, guys. I forgot the set. Oh, I forgot the column. It's like 10 o'clock right here, and I really need some sleep. But let's just finish this off, guys. So yeah, if you wanna support me, just subscribe, and I will appreciate it a lot. So after on tab, we have yeah, title index. This same thing index, which is like 0, 1, 2, 3, and you will look through it. Yeah, if you don't understand, you can leave it in the comment. definitely try to explain it to you. Leading would be image. Leading is another attribute, and usually it will be like an image, or it can be a text as well. Let them check. Yeah, it can be any widget. So to display before the title. This index, same thing. The key is called image. Okay, nice. Semicolon. And yeah, it shouldn't be like this. Okay, so right now, where was it? Whenever we search, right? Where to search in the on? Let me find on submit. Control F to search on submit. Okay, here. Put it arguments to search value. So actually, we need to filter through it. So in JavaScript, there's something like find. Yeah, there is something similar in Flutter. Okay, so we will actually need to filter through it. We can't just do like this. But before that, we need to know what is the search term. So string search value equals to model route or off. Like we used to do this. I mean, like before this, we are already doing this, so it's almost the same thing. Arguments. So arguments is of course where was it? Search value. Okay, as of course as string. So we need to make it similar to here. Yeah, I think did we put it in the wrong place? Yes, unfortunately we put it in the wrong place. It should be when we build it because we need to access the context right here. So yeah, I think this is the problem of now chat like we previously had. So see more actions and then add a now chat. So yeah, it will never be now. Just that simple. Okay. But of course it can't be empty. We need to like filter it. So recent activities, which these recent activities refers to this. Okay, the whole list. Recent recent activities. But where it's something like find in JavaScript, filter through. I'll try to explain. So it's a function act. In here you can make it like activity if you want, but I want to make it shorter, so I call it act. So act like every object in this. I mean everything, every map in this list we are trying to search for the name, and if and to lowercase of course, like you want to be case sensitive, right? Okay, and then dot contains search value of course. And of course, at last we need to make it to a list because eventually it will become a list. Here is another problem of the now check. Whenever we see this, just do something, just do this small actions and then now check. Just that simple. So I think everything should work perfectly. So now let's run it, okay? Now give me a sec and we will see the outcome of it. So now it is fully built and let's take a look if it works or not. I'll try like typing. Give me a computer a second. I think it's lagging. Hmm. Is this so weird? It's not responding. Yeah, it is very laggy. Okay, I try to type like TY or something like subscribe. Subscribe. Go. And of course, there will be nothing because there's no app name subscribe. If I press, yeah, actually I can press here too because in here we have this. Yeah, we have on press as well that we can search context. That is quite good. Yeah, okay. let's see again. Yeah, yeah, quite good. Yeah, okay, so let's continue taking a look at this. If I type temple, that should be, yeah, here how it works. So I guess that is the lock screen for this front end, and maybe if I have time, I'll try to implement the backend. Yeah, maybe by using Firebase. So thank you for watching, and your support really means a lot. And I will see you in the maybe in the next series. I have another series which is using Python, and if you are interested in Python, you can go take a look, which is daily practice. So yeah, thank you and stay safe.